Your next car could be the 2016 Mazda MX-5. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Your ideal driving position is behind the wheel of this exquisite MX-5 Miata. Timeless and modern, this affordable roadster offers a streamlined cabin, crisp and playful ride, Bluetooth connectivity, and joyful performance. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, premium sound system, keyless start, aluminum wheels, blind spot monitor. Answer the call to experience open-top joy. This exquisite MX-5 Miata is waiting just for you. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.